This video is going to show you how to perform maintenance on an IDI 18E blowing machine. Now, before performing any maintenance on a machine, make sure that it's unplugged and turned off. So one of the things you want to do every day with the machine is check to make sure that it's clean. If it's not clean, if it's dirty, if it's got insulation built up, get down here. We've got an agitator motor over here, a blower motor over here. All of these are air cooled. If we don't keep them clean, the insulation's going to get in there, cause everything to run warmer than what it should, and you're going to start having problems. So keep that nice and clean, and the clear guard that comes with it makes it easy for you to see down here if you need to clean that. Something else I would do either every shift or at least once a week is just check these sprockets. Look for any wear on the sprockets where you can start seeing some silver shining through, where the sprockets are getting out of alignment. And also check the chain tension. These chains should be snug, but they shouldn't be too tight. We just want to take out any of the excess slack. That way we don't get the chains jumping. If we drop in some material that's a little more dense, we don't want the chains jumping on there. That'll eat up those sprockets. Now, the other thing with these chains is about every 200 hours you want to lubricate them, but you don't want to use a WD-40 or a grease. You want to spray them with a dry graphite lubricant. If we use WD-40 or something like that, the dust in the air, the insulation will collect on there and absorb all that moisture. So get some dry graphite lubricant and you can spray that. The bearings down here, there's a bearing on this side of the airlock and there's one around the back side. You want to grease those about every 200 hours. 2 or 3 pumps of just a basic red grease will get what you need done. The other thing you want to do every 200 hours or so is open up this panel box. There's a screw here and a screw over here. Make sure this is turned off and your panel box will open up. Just go through and check all of your electrical connections. Make sure that they're nice and tight. Over time, with the vibration of the machine, it can start to vibrate and lose some of those connections. Over on the sides, we also have vent holes. Make sure that those are clear of any debris or any insulation buildup. The same thing, we want to make sure that we're getting fresh air in here. Down here is your blower filter. You can just pull that out and clean that off. Do that every single day before you use the machine. If not, you're going to get insulation that'll filter through here into the blower motor and pack around inside of that blower motor. And something like that would not be covered under warranty, so we want to make sure that we keep this clean. There you have it. This video shows you all the steps that you need to do to perform maintenance on the IDI 18E blowing machine and make sure that it lasts a long time and performs efficiently. That's the setup of the IDI 18E machine. Please reach out to your local rep if you have any questions or if we can do anything to help you. Please like and share and let us know if there's anything you need.